fix Uber Eats promo code not working. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to fix your Uber Eats promo code not working. So for that, all you have to do is just simply open your Uber Eats account, and in order to fix the Uber Eats promo code problem that you're facing while creating your account in your Uber Eats, so the process of doing that is quite simple. So as soon as you open your Uber Eats account and click on the sign up section from the top right corner, you will be able to see the option called add your phone number, or the other options like continue Google and with QR code if you already have account in your Uber Eats and you have downloaded the Uber apps account in your device. So as you can see on my sign up page, I only see the option called adding my phone number and not the option to add my promo code. So if you want to see the promo code option and you want to fix this particular error that you're facing, right, just like I'm facing this problem right now, so all you have to do is just simply come back to the home screen, and after that just scroll all the way down to the bottom. Over here you will be able to see the option called Uber at chat support. Just simply go there, and after that on this page, if you already have an account, you can go ahead and log in, and if you don't have an account, just simply proceed with the as a guest, and after that on the search bar you can search for the query that you are facing an error regarding entering your promo code in the Uber Eats account. And if you don't find the solution, just click on help with an order, and after that just contact the Uber Eats chat support and explain the problem to the Uber Eats chat support that you are facing the problem regarding your promo code, and the chat support team will respond to you and help you regarding solving the problem of your promo code that you are facing in your account. So this is basically how you will be able to fix your Uber Eats promo code not working. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.